Friends, welcome. We start with you our live trading session, and today we are going to trade live by using DOM and Footprint. I will show you two strategies, breakout and bounce, and I hope this day will be really interesting for you, funny for you. For some of you, we will have a lot of communication about trading. Remember that in the comments you should write questions about regarding scalping. Do you know what we are doing? Do you know what platforms we are using? That's why when you join the stream first time, what you do, just write few words about yourself, about your experience, and what's your what kind of help you need in this field. Okay, let's start. For a start, as always, I ask you, my friends, to give me feedback about my audio and video quality. And second, it is about how many of you was on our previous trading session, and did you enjoy? What was the most important part of this live meetings you see in your trading experience? Okay, I would like to make my picture a little bit smaller, and let's do. Okay, at this moment we are going to do some preparation. We are going to find beautiful trades, beautiful situation, while all of you prepare and write here. And let me again send this. Let me again, we just started. Copy link. We just un momento, I'm writing that we started. Also, friends, for all of you, I recorded a lot of tutorials about DOM, about strategies that we use. That's why soon there would be all of these tutorials on YouTube. How to use platforms for DOM trading, all of that stuff. Soon it will be available for you and for free. Okay, good. We just stopped. Good. I just sent everywhere. Alexander. Hello, Yuri. Hello, everyone. Hello for Alexander, by the way. Where are you from? And what's about your English? Is it good for you to hear our English? Do you enjoy it? Friends, also, remember that we are not sponsored by any exchange, any broker, only by you. And it's so important to push like and subscribe to this channel, because YouTube show it to more people, and for us it makes much easier to create a lot of useful content for you. It's really important to share a video with your friends in direct messages, messengers, WhatsApp, Telegram, in all places. Isaac, you look great in the red. Hope the market would copy you today after the Fed meeting. Isaac, I like red color because it makes me a big difference between me and my what I have outside behind my back. That's the reason why I wear it. But today I think it would be interesting, and we will be until Fed meeting, and there could be some interesting volatility. We will try to trade something like that. Okay, while all of you, friends, once more, I told all of you to write few words about yourself and audio video quality. While all of you do it, I prepare some coins, and I would like to find some interesting coins to analyze at this moment and trade. Okay. Let's analyze all coins really fast while all of you is here. GMT. Amar Soil, hey, you're a great job. Happy to help, friends. How many of you saw our video about DOM and Footprint? The last one that we published 2 weeks ago. At this moment, I analyze all coins and analyze what we can trade at this moment. Have a look. 1 inch broke this beautiful key level, and at this moment it is it's sad, but like there is no at this moment trade situation. Okay, let's cover all coins. Maybe there would be some coins where big volume in a DOM really close and we can trade it so soon. Okay, Axie Infinity, have a look. Price approaching to this key level where significant pending order, 39,000 coins at 1556. It is far above this range. It's interesting to see how price reaches that area. What we do at this moment, we add Axie Infinity into our watch list. Okay, let's add it together. Hello everyone, looking forward to see what can be done just before form meeting. Now remember, we do scalping. It is not swing trades, it is not long-term trading. That means all our ideas will be on short time frames. That means there are big possibilities that we can enter and get out before Fed create volatility to us. Okay, let's open Axie Infinity. How many of you know what platform do we open? And if some of you don't know, please share with me that you don't understand what platform we use. Okay, at this moment we do settings for Axie Infinity. Let's open Axis USDT. Fabio from Rome. Fabio, nice to meet you. By the way, my aunt lives nearly Rome, maybe 70 kilometers from Rome, and I went to her and I saw Rome, and it's really beautiful. I like Rome. Okay, let's do settings. At this moment we do DOM settings because in a footprint of Axie Infinity above, a few percent above, we can see big volume, 34,000 coins, and that 34,000 we should point that we can see it really beautifully. That's why what we do DOM settings and in this platform. Let me do one stuff. I would like to file clear cache. One moment, I would like to clear cache and reload platform. Elijah, hello, nice to see you. How are you, my friend? How are you these days? Because I was out, I was in Carpathian Mountains. Now GSM, is target trade paid or free? There are both versions. It is a paid and for free. There are paid version, and you also can get it for free if you use it without referral. About software that we use to see these beautiful charts, I just sent into a chat. All of you can download. Okay, good. We just reload the page. Have a look, friends. Pay attention to the size. For us, it will be really interesting to trade this size in Axis, 34,000 coins. Let's do DOM settings. Let me close and open Tiger Trade because I had opened it whole entire day, and sometimes it takes a lot of capacity of PC when you keep open it whole entire day. You again see Celebraman. Yeah, if you could give me an explanation what kind of platform you are using would be great. I just sent into description link to that platform. You can use it. We use Target Trade and we use SCALPER. We use two platforms for DOM and footprint trading because by using these two platforms, what we have access to real trades that people do, as I said. And at this moment we do settings with Axe Infinity because on Access, on the footprint of Axe Infinity, there are 34,000 coins at 1555. That means it is a sell limit, approximately 400,000 coins. It is really big amount of coin. And our major goal at this moment, make it beautiful and visible for all of you. That's why at this moment in front of you, I do all filters to see it really clearly. Okay, 34, we should write here 30,000. Let's do it yellow that everyone can see. Here, let's be 15,000. And here, 0. And have a look how it became beautifully to see all that numbers, all really big numbers. Have you noticed that at this moment all small numbers you don't see, and you can see only that from 1%, 1.50%, we have this bigger size. And here, pay attention. What would be our strategy if Axe Infinity reaches this big volume? There could be big possibility for bounce from big volume, and we will take bounce strategy. That's it. Okay. Rockstar, my friend. Yes, we are going to do often live streams. I think to do once per week, especially. Remember, for me, it's pleasure to do live streams with you, especially when I see that a lot of people coming. That means you can help with this when you share link to live streams with your friends, share it on social media, subscribe and push like, and we can do all of this stuff really regularly, at least once per week, entirely for free, for you to join and learn a lot of stuff. Okay, it is a first instrument that we have at this moment. Okay, let's do this one. Let's do settings also for spot market because when you do trading in crypto, you have two markets. You have spot market and you have futures market. And it's important to set settings for DOM on both markets because if you have big volume on a spot market, price still will move. Like if big volume on spot, futures follow. If big volume on futures, spot follow. That means on exchange there are robots that calls correlators, and they are forced to keep price the same. That means if futures moves the price, if futures moves the price, spot follow, and opposite. It works in both directions. That's why for us, our major goal is to find big size, big volume to trade. It is one strategy. There are also another strategy that we also will try to breakout strategies that we will try to also catch today. Okay, and the settings from 0. Good. Okay, at this moment what we have 7,000 coins at this price, nearly 1% below. Tell me please, do you see all these numbers? Should I make DOM bigger? Should I zoom in for you to see these numbers better? Okay. Okay. Friends, people from Ukraine ask one question, I reply in Ukraine language. Ольга, вчора були українською стріми, на цьому каналі будуть англійською. Roy, hello from Lebanon, too small. By the way, I have a friend from Lebanon. He originally from Lebanon, and at this moment he lives in UK, and he really awesome man. And that's why I like people of Lebanon. Okay. Let's go on. Once more, about access. We pay attention to this size. If price bounce from this size, we can take a short from that size, because have a look how price bounced from this big volume here and dropped by here. Volume was 63,000 coins at $18. It's approximately $1 million, and price dropped by 23%. It is amazing result. I do not expect at this moment same result, but still a big possibility of something. Okay, let's go and cover some other situations. Really, Chinazes, have a look, friends. A few minutes ago, exactly when we started our live, a few minutes ago, Chinazes bounced from bigger volume, from 1 million coins. Oh my god, it was so close. Have a look. 1%. It was really beautiful. 1%. It was really beautiful. Sad we didn't take it. Okay, there would be more situation. Compound, today I tried to take this bounce from compound and closed a small part, but today compound I failed. Have a look. Today we tried to take compound. This trade at $48. We took long. At 0.7% we closed part of our trade, but after that price hit our stop loss, and at this moment it rose up and it would be really at least $200 of profit with small risk. Okay, let's cover more situations. How many of you came here to learn something, and how many of you came here just to get some signals? For me it's really important to hear it. Share with me right now. Okay, at this moment what I do, I analyze by using special service. I analyze where we can find significant volume, significant pending orders by using special service. That's it. Okay, they started this spoofing only a few days ago. Ethereum Classic, honestly, during last days, it's really interesting instrument because so many pending orders, pay attention, so many pending orders on this instrument, and it played out many times. EOS today bounced before this size. What else? Okay. About scalping, have a look. Link bounced from this size today. Mana broke level and failed to rise. Interesting. I finished to analyze all these instruments. Maybe there are some bigger size because it would be really awesome. We would take it with you because it would be the easiest example to show you how to take trade. Okay. Bitcoin. Tier B, ways, learn first from learning of OTC for some signals. That cash. Have a look on all of this stuff. One moment, friends. I finished to analyze all these coins to see if there are some big pending volumes, big pending orders, and after that we come to you to see some real trades. Have a look. CRV at 1715. CRV reaches this beautiful pending order and bounce it. Have a look. 1.76 here from this big order. CRV bounced it. That would be, oh, Dent. Have a look what's going on Dent. 188 million of coins, and how much it is in dollars. 188 millions multiply by 0.0000944. It is nearly $200. Nearly $200. It's really interesting. At this moment we will cover that. Ethereum Classic, have a look how it bounced before this bigger volume at 15 o'clock, and beautiful rise. I came for learning. Awesome. For me it's really awesome to hear that many of you came here for learning. Okay, why is the biggest size? Didex, 64,000 coins at $2. It is 120,000. It is not much. ICP. About investing, we all want to grow our money and high rate return. Recommend your above name, and here is the best. Okay. Chain, XRP, Zcash. We should finish all of these coins to see is there any really interesting idea that we can trade so soon. When I finish this list of coins, what I analyze by the biggest volume. RCR, pay attention, this 22 million of coins, but it is far lower, and while price reaches that area it could take several hours. Okay, what do we have at this moment? We have still on Axe Infinity. Why is that bigger size? It disappeared. At this moment only 22,000 coins here below. That's it. That's all what we have. What also we have? We have this 3,600 coins on BNB, and let's wait. If price reaches that area, maybe we will try to take bounce from that bigger size. Okay. About Ethereum Classic, I just zoom in for you to see what's going on Ethereum Classic, and there is still no beautiful size that we can take to as a trade. Okay. Martius, if you give a man a fish, he will be hungry tomorrow. If you teach man to fish, he will be richer forever. Daniela, any signals regarding form meeting? Elias, Jake. My friend, we trade by using DOM footprint, and we trade exactly when some significant volume appears. At this moment, we will try to find some beautiful signals before form meeting. During previous stream, we took 4 trades. It takes some time because I had small nap before this stream to be active and rest well. That's why give me a few minutes and we will find some good ideas. Ali, hello from Frankfurt. By the way, I was in Frankfurt, also beautiful city. Okay. About big size volumes, at this moment we don't have a significant volume clearly to us to take a trade. What else we can do at this moment? Let's find another stuff. Another stuff called Scalper Top. It is a special service that help us to see some beautiful patterns that we can trade so soon. Let me show all of this stuff for you. Share with me, by the way, how many of you saw this service ever before. By the way, it's entirely for free. And what beauty of this service? Have a look. We can this tool automatically for us look for key levels, trend lines, and big volume in DOM and footprint. And have a look. At this moment, pay attention, it's loading. And what we do, we can search by key levels on 1 hour time frame, and it will show to us some levels on 1 hour time frame. Have a look. For example, 1 inch at this moment at this level, but this level we won't trade. I1. I1, yes, my friend, we will check GMT, big volume, have a look. Let's cover GMT with you. GMT show bigger volume, have a look today, and it's a small bounce. On spot market, there is no significant volume in GMT, just dropping. On a futures market, GMT only bounce at 24th. Let's open smaller time frames. On a futures market, have a look. Some significant pending orders only at 81 cents, at 81.05. Only far below some significant limit orders. Only these two limit orders at 81 cents. At this moment, at price, there's nearly no significant limit orders that we can trade. Hello from Mongolia. Hello, my friend. We have people from whole entire planet. We have from Europe, we have from Mongolia. Interesting to see some people from Latin America. Okay, BTC at this moment slowly dropping. Okay, let's do at this moment what we have. We use this service. Friends, have a look. There could be potentially a local breakdown on this coin HNT. There is no significant size in DOM footprint, but there could be some breakdown on HNT. Let's cover, is there any significant accumulation on this coin to see it. HNT local level, dent, I really like to take some, let's open 4 hour levels, HNT. Okay, let's cover HNT. At this moment, HNT already breaking. It's already breaking. Have a look. It's breaking level. At this moment, they set some limit order here. Sometimes it takes, it works so fast that it's nearly impossible to take a trade. Okay. Let's see, ROC. This coin ROC interesting because pay attention. It got pumped several days ago, and have a look on this pump, and significant volume happened exactly at high. And if there would be some squeeze into trend lines, there could be a breakout in some direction. JMC. Oh my god, everything is bleeding. Yes, everything is bleeding. They're preparing for meeting, and I think that could be really interesting stuff because there could be a significant volume in DOM and footprint. I wait, maybe there would be some significant volume in DOM footprint. That would be really interesting for us. Ali, do you have any idea about FOMC press conference? As you know, that it is in 1.5 hours, and I think coins do some pump. Let me tell you a story. I was in news trading far before. I was on a fixed market in a news trading, and what I know about all of this stuff. First, in most cases, big people, big fish from Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, and all of these big firms, in many cases, they have already inside information about news release. And in many cases, they already built their position far before news release. That means quite often price before news, price already counts that news. And in what cases there would be really big movement on the markets? If at this moment we have forecast increased from 1.75 and that would be increased, for example, to 3% interest rate, and that big difference could make significant shift, and there could be significant volatility on a difference between forecast and actual. If they're the same, in many cases there could be even no volatility. That's it, because people, investors in big firms already calculated that news. Okay. Alexander, by the way, what about Ukraine? Where exactly are you from? It's interesting to hear. Maybe we live close to each other. Okay, HNT. What else? Also, we have another scalp station. Let's cover scalp station. It's really interesting that during last days, biggest trades, Ethereum Classic also in a top 3, top 5 coins that has biggest amount of coins traded. It's really interesting. Okay, volume. Let's pay attention. Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic, Solana, Matic, GMT, Ape. Better to do trades. What we do at this moment, we use the service to see what coins at this moment in a move, what coins potentially could do significant movement for us, and we can take some trades. Okay. HNT, for me it looks there could be even false breakout. Let's cover it here on trading HNT. For me it looks it is a false breakdown. Have a look. HNT, biggest volume at bottom. If there would be some significant volume in DOM footprint at this moment at bottom, that could be a good signal for potential rise, because in normal cases when price breaks level, it creates squeezing and only after that breaks. But at this moment we have significant volume and no down reaction. That means there could be exactly opposite rise, especially if Bitcoin take some rise at this moment. This coin could follow really a lot. Let's open it here on our station. Okay, let's do duplicate tab. Okay, let's do HNT. HNT USDT. HNT USDT. My wife tells me that I should say salute to all of you. Sometimes she, when she see how I like to do these live streams, she really enjoys it. Okay, let's cover all of this. If significant volume appears in a DOM footprint, we could try to take a long on HNT, or we can try to wait. Even better idea would be to wait for breakout of this local trend line, because at this moment what happened? Price made a breakdown of a level, but there is no reaction. Have a look. There is no any kind of reaction. exactly opposite. Volume increased at bottom. Oh my god, you don't see. I exactly show picture with my face. Have a look on HNT. Okay, we don't need at this moment all of this. Let me delete all of this. Okay, I delete most of this because we don't need so many DOMs. Have a look what's going on. Pay attention to this local trend line. Price so big period of time squeeze down, and at this moment what's going on? And at this moment we pay attention to exactly opposite picture. If price come back to trend line, we can take long. Idea of this really simple. People that took short, their stop losses. Imagine when you take short, have a look. What they did, have a look on this beautiful trap for trend line break. People that trade a trend line break up. People that trade trend line break up were trapped here, and their stop losses exactly on this volume. That means if price come back and squeeze up, there could be beautiful long. Even at this moment we can take long, but this long will be much riskier because we don't have yet confirmation from DOM footprint. Also, let's cover in out this stuff, this place, HNT, USDT. If there would be some significant volume like this one or this one, that would be the best confirmation for our idea. Sadly, that there is no such confirmation. HNT, USDT. No, there is no limit orders. That means it will be only a pure technical analysis idea. And what we do, we wait. What we do when we can take a trade? If price retest trend line, we can take a trade. Let me do. That's the reason why I like all of these platforms, because you can do whatever you want with all of these platforms. Okay, have a look. And also let's build this kind of trend line. If price within few minutes come back to trend line, squeeze up, we take long with stop loss above this bottom. But we wait once more, we wait for confirmation, price must squeeze back. That would be confirmation that people that took short, their stop losses will move price higher. Alexander, I'm born in Donbass region. The city of Pokrovsk, was living in Bakhmut before a war is emerged. Now we moved to Uzhhorod. Alexander, I understand you because parents of my wife, they are from Mykolaiv area, and they also moved, and it's really a big pain for our nation. It is a really big pain. Okay, friends, let's make a deal. If you have any questions right now, you write it into a chat, because have a look what I do. I prepare trading plans for myself. And at this moment, we don't take a trade like right now. We wait for confirmation. We need few seconds to take it. We need additional confirmation, and we take this trade. I will show you how to calculate volume, because we will use different strategies. We will use swing trading, and we will use scalping strategies. For scalping, we wait some significant volume while it reach in a dominant footprint. And at this moment, we have significant volume on Ax Infinity, far above current price, and on Didex. We have, we can see two significant limits. Yanislav Jurkov, Welcome, my friend Yanislav. By the way, where are you from? Are you from Ukraine or other countries, or are you from Poland? Because it looks like you're Poland, from Polish. How we can set a leverage in DOM scalp? You do not set leverage in scalp. You set leverage on exchange. You go to Binance, and on Binance you set a leverage. I'm from Bulgaria. It sounds like some Slavic, and it's clear that you are from our places. What margin do you use? On my account, I have nearly 30,000, and I have maximum leverage on Binance. I can open a trade with couple of thousand. I can open a trade. Maximum capacity, it is 500,000. But at this moment, I don't see a situation to open a trade with such size. Okay, let's do settings. 20,000, 10,000. Okay. General, I do DOM settings. If some of you don't understand, you simply ask and I'll reply to you. Remember that there are two platforms that we can use. We can use scalp and Tiger Trade. Major reason why I use Tiger Trade in some cases, because charts far beautiful when you do swing trading. For Tiger Trade it's better for streams. If you do purely DOM trading, scalp is 100% enough. Joseph, hi from Croatia. Hi, my friend. By the way, my friend at this moment in Croatia, he says that it's really beautiful place. Roy, at what price we take HNT? Roy, we take HNT if price squeeze up. Honestly, if you like risky trade, we can take it even at this moment. But much better to take HNT if price come back to 850, and let's calculate what would be stop loss. Stop loss would be 1.9%. At 850, if price come back into that area, we can take long with stop loss below tail and potential goal at least 1 to 3. Potential goal should be at least to 8.99. Also have a look on Axie Infinity on the significant volume that entered on 1 minute time frame. Interesting to see how it played out. For HNT, I personally wait for squeezing back to 850, and after that we can take some trade. Okay. Derek Taylor. I'm from Detroit, Michigan, United States. Derek, nice to see you here. Derek, by the way, share with me, do you understand what we are doing here? Did you see any videos about DOM footprint? I would like to remind to all of you, my friends, when you come to our YouTube channel first time, what I recommend all of you to do, and by the way, we added that lesson in the description to your video. Have a look. Below every video on this live stream, you open live stream, and what you'll find? You'll find important lessons exactly in the description to this video. What we did, we added first, those of you that want to learn scalping, we create for you a mini course. It costs only $7, how to start your path. The next one here, it is article which we wrote to you, best platforms that you can use for DOM and footprint. Just open, read it, and watch a video lesson, what's DOM and footprint. Have a look here. Those of you that first time here, I highly recommend you to watch this video lesson. Because have a look, in this video lesson, only 6 minutes, I explain to you what all of these numbers means and how to use them together. Okay, HNT, let's do DOM settings. We do delta correlated volume profile. Once more, we have a deal. There is no stuff like bad question. If you do not understand something, you immediately ask it for me and I reply to you. At this moment, I do settings for HNT DOM settings to see maybe some big volume appears because what's really important for us. At this moment, price did this local key level breakdown, volume increase, but there is no down reaction. And if price squeeze back, for me it would be a signal that it was a false breakdown. If there would be a significant volume in DOM, we already would take a trade, but at this moment there is no significant volume in DOM, spot and futures. That's why we wait for some additional confirmation. That's one idea that we have at this moment. Also, I pay attention to many other coins, and if there are some volume appears in DOM footprint, we would take those trades. Okay. Vova to Kran, Rune has the wall. Rune, let's check Rune. Rune, a lot of spoofing on spot market. I don't like such coins because there are a lot of volume that appears and disappears. That's really bad. Rune, this 55,000 coins lower, and honestly it's really at awesome place. If price would reach it, we definitely would take a trade, because pay attention, it is exactly below previous level. Quite a lot of people that trade in this range, they set stop losses exactly below it, and if price would go into that area, that would be really interesting to take. Okay, HNT, friends, about HNT, price is not dropping, and at this moment have a look what's going on. Price is not dropping, and with big possibilities this stuff, it was a false breakdown. There only one problem, that form meeting will be only within 40 minutes. What we can do, we can take with some size and take a trade. I take a trade only when 1000 volume. Have a look, where is my HNT? I open a trade with 1000 coins, just to be okay. What I do at this moment, I open a trade with 1000 coins, 1000 USD size. We just took a trade. And let me set a stop loss. A stop loss should be 836.40. 836.40. Here must be our stop loss. Let me do the chart settings. If some of you are looking for a platform, what we are using at this moment, let me show position. What I did at this moment, I turn off on a platform. You can see these positions beautifully. Pay attention. Where stop loss set it, and exactly my average price on a chart, and it's beautiful. What we did, what's our idea? This breakdown failed, and if price squeeze back, that could be beautiful rise. That means at this moment, what we can do, we can set a take profit few percents above. Our take profit must be, my friends, at least in 3-4 times bigger to make some profit. That means at this moment, what I understand, if price come back to trend line with big possibility, people that took short in this range, their stop losses will move to our take profit. Let's have this trade. Let's have this trade. Benar Guksel Bayraktar. Yeah. Bayraktar, by the way, helps Ukraine a lot during these times. Derek, yes, I understand everything, including your strategy. Thanks for sharing your information. Derek, happy to help. Awesome to see you here. Moshi Tariq, please show Ethereum orders. Many thanks. We'll do it soon. MD, hi from Romania. Hello, my friend. Happy to see you here. We are neighbors. By the way, how it is in Romania during these days? How do you deal with Moldova? Is it peaceful there? Joseph Radovich, what leverage is the trade you took now? Joseph, I didn't took any leverage because on my account I have far more bigger amount of money, and at this moment risk on this trade only $10. I didn't take leverage because I have far bigger amount of my account. I have far bigger, and if you have, for example, on your account 30K and you open a trade with size 1K, you do it without leverage. If I would take a trade with size 60k, I would use leverage. At this moment, I do not do a leverage because it is not the most powerful signal. If there would be significant volume in DOM, I would take at least 20k, 10k volume in this trade. But we took this trade only to hit us because we are without any trade ideas, and I want to take some small trades just to hit up. Sandro, South MD, Alpha Wall, hello from Greece. I see that we have all Europe. It's like European Union came here. Been following you since 2 years now. You are the man. Motion Tariq, thank you, my friend. Can you check my question? ASIC, repeat, please. How to be scared while trading? ASIC, man scared of lose. Even if I was sure about my analysis, I still think about to trade all day while it's going. Sometimes I exit early for no reason. ASIC, what's the biggest problem that you have with your trades? First, pay attention to your how do you deal with money. You should understand that if you would never spend at least, for example, $5,000 per month for some stuff, not for buy car, for mortgage, only to join some restaurants, to close, to move with your wife for some rest, vacation, something like that. If you didn't spend such amount of money, for you it will be difficult to have, for example, risk per month 5,000. How you deal with money depends how much money you spend in your life. It's like a muscle. To treat money easily, you must have that experience. For example, you go to a restaurant, you have a check $100, it's okay for you. And it will be easy for you to do a trade with such size. In most cases, beginners, that all of this stuff depends on next situation. First, what kind of person you are, because there are sometimes people that really scare for any lose. If you have it, decrease your size in a trade. Share with me at this moment, do you know what's risk per trade? If you don't know, we will cover it. Because if you cannot sleep, if you cannot trade easily, cut your size. That's it. That's the most easiest way. I highly recommend you to take even a trade for $100 because you will have at least history of your trade and you will be able to analyze it. Every time take a trade, but if you're scared, take it with smaller size, because in the future when you will see that you were right, you will have a lot of confidence. And after that, when you trade always with some amount of money, for example, you trade with size $1,000, and within several months, it would be really easy for you to trade with that size, and you can increase by 20–50%. Honestly, it's difficult if you trade with $1,000, increase it to 100K. I had that mistake, and because of that mistake, I had 3 months of really bad conditions of my mind, because I really scared I really was scared to take some trades. That's why write more about that stuff. And friends, once more, push like, it's so important because YouTube algorithm will show it to more people. Okay, at this moment we are in a HNT trade. I would call it, if some of you would ask me about my confidence in this trade, I would say 4 of 10. That's why I took only $1,000 size in this trade. If there would be significant volume in dominant footprints that would protect us, I would take a much bigger size. As I said. That's why at this moment, this size just to warm up. Also, what all of you, I highly recommend you to do. Have a look, there are services that calls trade make money. Today, honestly, I'm in red. Have a look, minus $33. That's why at this moment I do not hurry up to take any trades. Let me show to you a trade that I took today. It is my trades for today. Have a look. I tried to take compound, bounce from bigger size. I took this compound today. Price gave 0.6% rise. We closed part of position, and after that, rest hit our stop loss. Good that we closed only minus $15. Another one, it is CTK. Also, I tried to take some bounce. FTM, and at this moment we are in a HNT. Also Rose, I tried to take bounce from big size but failed. Like this day not the best. Highly recommend you to use this service, Trade Make Money, because you will see all your trades, you will analyze it. It costs really small money, but my friends, it will give you confidence in your future, because when you analyze your trades, and especially when you have a person that help you with analyzing your trades, for you it will be much easier. Okay, let's cover HNT we just analyzed. Let's cover some other coins with some bigger volume, with big levels. On the markets, what I like the most when price makes some traps. What I understood after trading crypto several months, I understood that best time to trade breakout, it is only after some significant trap. If you trade breakout strategy, trap, it's like essential. Okay, let's do some other stuff. Let's cover, maybe there would be some additional ideas. Alpha Wolf, Yuri, can we see the category of the order long short in a target trade? Alpha, my friend, what you can see first in target trade and in other platforms, scalp. You have a look. This part, it is a real-time trades. It goes real-time trades. Blue one, it is market buy, and red one, it is a market sell. Above price, it is sell limits. Below price, it is buy limits. You can see all of this stuff. Also, in a footprint, you can do a lot of settings that you can see all trades separately. That means please clarify more what you mean by see all trades. Backstar, what do you recommend DOM footprint subscription for beginners? Backstar, my friend, depends on your pocket. If you have money, I recommend you to use Target Trade because they have a lot of stuff. Let me send again that link to Target Trade. I recommend to use Target Trade. Main reason because they have a lot of far more stuff. Soon I'll publish article about difference between Target Trade. They have simulator, for example. You're a beginner and you would like to learn how to do scalping. You don't need to risk your own money. Have a look. They have simulator mode. You can trade mode. You can do a simulator, and all your trades would be done like on demo account, but you will see all real DOM footprint. You have really powerful chart that you can trade with. You can see all trades, all of that stuff. That means Target Trade, really awesome stuff, but it costs money, that's it. But compared to many other platforms that I see especially in the Western market, Target Trade is the most affordable one. That's it. Okay. Also, another option, if you do not have money and it's okay, like there could be different condition, you can use another stuff for DOM footprint. It is scalp, but this platform only for DOM trading. Soon, within several days, my team will publish a video tutorial on our YouTube channel. We'll publish video tutorial on our YouTube channel, and you'll be able to watch the tutorial also. But it is only for DOM, if you do DOM trading with that platform. Okay, what else? Oleg, my friend, happy to see you here. How are you? How are you? How is your mood? Did you took any trades? Okay, friends, at this moment HNT 0.34% moves into our direction. Really good signal with big possibility. This breakdown was really trap, and at this moment we can double our size and keep it until take profit or stop loss. What about compound now? MD 232. Friends, I like when you share your names because I like to speak with you like with a person. Okay, about HNT, we can take additional size. We can double our volume because like it's confirming that with big possibility it was fake breakdown. Okay, we doubled our volume. As you can see, we just added additional volume. This blue stuff shows to us that we doubled our volume. And stop loss we keep in same position. We keep our stop loss and take profit. And at this moment, if price reach our take profit, our risk reward must be 1 to 3. That would be a really good condition. Let's see. Michael, hello from Georgia. Do you have a lesson on your channel? How can we test the strategy and how do the backtest correctly? Michael, we didn't do it yet, but if there would be a lot of people that ask it, I'll record that lesson and will help you. About test strategy, you can use, for example, you can test on a history, and also you can test it by trading on a demo account. And for that, I highly recommend you to use this platform because here you can use simulator mode, and you can do, for example, DOM trading on a simulator, and all that history tracks, and after that you can see are you profitable or not. That's one example how you can test it, but I'll record about that. Joseph, well, everyone should know that trading is like some hobby, and every hobby costs you some money, and you make one day if you get good at this and can give you good returns on every daily job. Joseph, I 100% agree with you. I treat trading, I compare it with poker because trading, at this moment we compete with people around the planet, and we compete with people around the planet, and we must be better than some other people, that's it, and we must have some advantages. That's why we use, for example, DOM footprint, we use pending orders, all of that stuff. And those people that know other players better, those people that know themselves better, of course they will make money. Okay, let's cover other. HNT moves into our direction with huge possibilities. There would be breakup. ENG, another trend line. Sadly, there is no volume confirmation, but have a look. Another big trend line. ENG. 1 hour. Have a look, my friends, on ENG on this 1 hour time frame. Plus it is a key level. Have a look on this key level. Plus it is a trend line. If price squeeze up, that could be beautiful breakup. Best confirmation for breakout would be significant volume in a DOM. For example, that would be some volume in DOM as a support. It would be really, it would be. Pasha, study English. Study English. You need it, my friend. You really need it, because in the future without English, it's like, I hope Ukraine will become member of European Union after this war, and without English it will be really difficult. Especially how UK come to us. Alpha Wolf. For example, HNT at price 860, there are 2007 coins. How can we identify if they are in long or in short position? Is it yellow bar? Okay, about HNT 860. My friend, everything that above, have a look, it is market price, or all of this, it is a market price at this moment. That means above market price, this 2,700 coins, it is sell limits. In every DOM, all coins above market price, it is sell limits. Below market price, it is buy limits. That's it. Rockstar, thanks, Meg. Bitcoin, please. I will do Bitcoin. Adam, no. Yuri, you think you can see big size on Bybit? I can open Binance account in USA. First, Adam, highly recommend you to use Bybit because we also use Bybit, and highly recommend you to use our link because for people that use our link, we give access to mini course for scalpers for free. Second, what you can do. First, you can see big size in Bybit DOM. By itself first. Second, you can analyze a DOM on Binance and open trades on Bybit, and it's also okay. Also, you can analyze Binance and Bybit together and do trades together. That's it. Main reason why it's really worth to pay attention what's going on Binance, because biggest volume on the planet trade at this moment on Binance. That's it. Also, if there are some coins that traded only on Bybit, you can trade only those coins because market maker will be the most powerful on those coins. There are a lot of stuff for people that open account by using our link. We do consultation with help with that stuff. If you're interested, write in the comments. I'll send you a link, and after that we can help you with all these questions. And for every person that open account on exchange with our link, we help with all of these settings with my team. What are your usual, Alexander, what are usual trading hours? My friend, I don't have usual trading hours because sometimes I can trade for whole entire day. Sometimes I trade only in the morning. Sometimes I trade, for example, like at this moment we do during this live session. But 4 or 5 hours per day, it's definitely that we do. Okay, we keep HNT. That means, Adam, what do you do at this moment? Adam. Oh my God. Let's see what's going on with HNT. Adam, below this video there are link. I highly recommend you to use that link and open account by that link. Also, here is the contact of my team. Where is it? Thomas. It is ID in Telegram of my team support, Thomas. In Telegram you write to this man and he will help you with all questions regarding opening account on exchange. How many of you, by the way, in HNT, it would be really good if HNT would do some rise before form meeting, because it would be really sad if before form meeting HNT would do something like this to cause stop loss, and after that pump. It would be really funny stuff. Sometimes something like that happens. Okay, let's go on. Once more, ENG, squeeze up. We also pay attention to ENG. Let's set it on trading view. If some of you interested at this moment, ENG also really good to for long. I would give ENG USDT. If some of you would ask me what score of ENG pattern, I would give maybe 5 of 10. Because why 5? We don't have significant volume at bottom. We only have local level and trend lines. That's it. That's why it is not the most powerful pattern, but still it's interesting to trade. Why I sometimes give to you score for patterns? Because when I see a lot of confirmation, we can use bigger volume. And at this moment, for example, I would not open more than 2,000 in this trade. If there would be some stop loss hunt and significant volume at bottom, it would be 8 of 10, 9 of 10. And if there would be significant pending order in DOM, like $500,000, $1 million, it would be 10 of 10. And we could take like 20, 50,000. Did you use market cheaper indicators? Vova, Tushkan, no, we didn't use. Tahir, I see Canada here, European Union here, Canada here. It's really awesome. Thank you. Yes, in cheers. Hey, nice to see you, mate. I'm late here again. Tahir, it's pleasure to see you. By the way, how is Canada during these days? By the way, a lot of Ukrainians moved to Canada. Canada at this moment opens their borders to Ukrainians. Okay, let's pay attention, my friends, to ENG. It is another coin that we can take a trade. We add it to a list at this moment because have a look what's going on ENG. We have powerful, beautiful trend line. We have squeezing to key level, but we don't have some traps and big volume in a DOM. That means we wait for what we are waiting for. Honestly, even right now, you can take some trade. Biggest problem that on the news, on form news, there could be, for example, some stop loss hunt. That's the worst stuff that can happen with your trade. That means on ENG, we also can take some small trade. Vlad, happy to see you here. You mean about ENG setup? Friends, I also would like to announce to you that for all of you, we create a mini course for those of you that start your path in scalping. Scalping, we create for you what strategies you should trade, patterns, how to start, all of that stuff. It's really powerful and beautiful. What should you do? Open stream link, and below that stream link you will find the first link. It is here, pay attention. Scalping beginners, open. It is only $7 and you will get a lot of stuff. You will get step-by-step plan, what to do, all of that. It's only $7 only to cover operation cost. That's it. If you're interested, just join. Remember, if you wouldn't like something, there always will be money back guarantee, all of that stuff. Okay. Within 27 minutes, there would be a Fed interest rate decisions. There would be some volatility. Okay, ENG. What about ENG? We have this pattern. Sadly, we don't have. Okay, about ENG, you can take a trade at this moment if you would like, because there is no significant pattern, but it's okay. It's okay to take this trade. Let me add also DOM of ENG. Maybe there's some significant size that at this moment in a support of this coin, and if there's significant size, we can take that trade. Also, friends, if some of you are interested in personal cooperation, for example, you need mentoring, something like that, I sent to you this link and will pin. You can schedule a call with my team and they will tell you all about our services. If you are interested, I just pin in a chat, just write to our team. Okay, those of you that open HNT, it moves into our favor, and I would be so happy to see when it breaks a trend line. Okay, I would open additional 1,000 on ENG, but let me open. Biggest problem that I don't have booked profit this day. And when I don't have booked profit, for me it is I don't like to risk big volume. Okay, let's do DOM settings to make it beautiful so that all of you can see what's going on. Okay, lower percent, 3%, we can do even 2. Oh, what biggest size we can see in a DOM of ing? At this moment we see biggest size, it is 133 coins. Why it's important for me? Because have a look in the settings, I need to set proper DOM settings, and how I set it, I just open DOM, scroll it up and down and look for biggest size. And when I see, for example, 158,000, I just add 20, sometimes 15%, and make that size of a DOM. Okay, let's do 130,000, this biggest, our biggest size. And okay, and 70,000, it is second biggest size. And from 0 I don't want to see that sizes because they only distract us. We need to see only what's really big and important. And have a look at this moment, we did settings, and at this moment only by scrolling up and down we can see immediately where biggest volume. That's the most important when all of you use DOM footprint. That's what really you definitely need to do, because in all other cases you don't see real powerful numbers. In footprint, when you do footprint settings, what you need to do, you just need to see where trade's done, and I highly recommend you to use preset delta correlated volume profile. And at this moment we have beautiful settings of DOM with you. Okay, let's take also 1,000 size, $1,000 worth of coins at this moment before trendline breakup. Before trendline breakup, we don't have significant pending orders for short. Let's also cover maybe on the spot market. Volume profile 450. I'm checking, do we have some coins on spot as a resistance? It's also important to check before your trade breakup. Okay, only 200. 16% above, it doesn't matter for us at this moment. I'm thinking to record new tutorial for Tiger Trade, because last tutorial that I record on Tiger Trade I did 1 hour ago, and at this moment after 1 hour of using I have far more experience on Tiger Trade. Interesting to hear. Should I record it? Share with me. Okay, size filters. Okay, let's do 230, 115, and 0. Okay. Okay, let's do 1,000 just to be with you. What will be our stop loss? Okay, 1 point. Stop loss we will set below this level. That means our risk in this trade will be $17. In this trade also risk approximately $17. That means $40. Altogether our risk $40. $40, but what potential reward? Okay. Roy, do you recommend any coin to buy in spot and hold? Roy, I would recommend to buy if there would be some index, because I definitely believe that crypto market will be exist. But biggest problem, I saw so many scams in crypto that it's so difficult to give you some clear recommendation. And if there would be something like S&P 500 in crypto, I would highly recommend you to use it. Because let me tell you a story. For example, just imagine that car market, when Henry Ford created Ford Motor Company, during that year, additionally were created Henry Ford Ford Motor Company, Ford automobile manufacturer. When that company were founded in 1903. During that 10 years, during the decade, in the United States were created additional more than 100 automobile companies. After 20 years, only Ford, Chevrolet, and what are the companies left on the market in the United States. Also in Europe there were other companies, but market always tries to become bigger. And the same on internet. During .com there were plenty of companies that created, but after 20 years we have Facebook, Meta, we have Google, we have Amazon, and what else? We have Netflix. Like, I think within 20 years on the crypto market there would be 5, maximum 10 companies that will dominate whole entire industry. Maybe it will be Binance, maybe it will be Ethereum, maybe it will be Bitcoin. But which one of them will definitely win? I think no one knows. Because if some people would know 100% that Amazon will become so big giant like it have today, so many people would buy that stock. But that's why better to buy index. Or if you deeply in some technology, you can buy some other coins if you deeply in some technology. Okay, let's do not risk $40 at this moment too big, because I already in minus 38 today. That means let's do some small size on ENG to be in the market. I just want to be in a market, and let's open some small size coin. Trading points percent. And we set stop loss at 53.99. 53.99. Last time we had both trades, 4 trades reach take profits. For me it's interesting, will be we lucky today or not. Okay. And we also have open trade on this. Let me do chart settings. Okay, good. We have at this moment also trade here. You can see my stop loss, and also let's set some take profit in. We simply set take profit in 3 times bigger, 0.77. It will be nearly 6%. Okay. What we do at this moment, it calls swing trading, my friends, because we don't rely on DOM footprint so much, because we don't face significant volume in DOM at this moment. We do mostly we do this trade ideas by using charts and simple logic. That's it. It's really sad that on ENG there is no, for example, when price finish its cycle, quite often it finishes with significant volume increase. That would be really best confirmation for trade. Okay, but still, I try to do more trades during such session, because I know that many of you came here to also to do some stuff with me, not only just to see it. That's it. Okay, and let me open. Within 5 minutes I would be announcing, and for me it's interesting about volatility that we are going to face. If some of you scare, don't use big volume. because within 5 minutes there would be form meeting and there could be some significant volume. That means just be ready for that there could be some significant volatility. Okay, let's cover again, let's cover whole entire market and pay attention, is there any significant volume in DOM footprint. Bitcoin slowly rise, every low higher, and at this moment there is no significant volume at high and there is no reason to stop for Bitcoin. That means like for Bitcoin at this moment there is no reason to stop. Vova, cool strategy. I use the same tools to catch community pumps. Waiting for bull market to continue for use my red strategy. About during bull market you can buy any coins because in most cases they will pump. How it's going for you so far? For me it's good. We just missed a few trades based. I like a strategy bounce from a big size on the futures because it is the most sweet one. And today only one coin compound were close to give us signal on that strategy. And also I like when before pump significant volume in DOM appears and you have stop loss, for example 0.1%. Like I'm a little bit a dreamer. Twana Jeff, you don't know about scalping? We can help you with that. There are two ways. First one, yesterday I divided crypto by section, create indices, will be testing in analysis for a couple of weeks. Twana, we have below this video there are lessons about what's DOM footprint, how to use it, and they are entirely for free. I highly recommend you to read. Also for people that want to get their results faster, we create a mini course with step-by-step tutorials how to start scalping. It costs only $7. It's only to cover operation cost and platforms that we rent to keep course there. You can join that. There are 7 days money back guarantee. That means and you will get step-by-step plan what to do and strategies that we use, platforms that we use, tutorials, and help of my team. Quite a lot of stuff for only $7. A while below, yes, there could be some significant volatility during this within few minutes. Friends, within 2 minutes there is going to be some significant volatility. Let me open also Bitcoin and Ethereum DOM. Okay, let's do rename tab. It will be HNT and ENG. If some of you scare, you can do like Iwilo did. You can close your trades at break even and close if you scare, for example, if you think your stop loss too big. There's also another way you can close half of your trades if you scare, also to reduce your risk. Because at this moment, worst scenarios that can happen, there could be just some tail down and after that big tail up. It is the worst things that can happen with us. That's it. If your size in your trade isn't, for example, hundreds of thousands, I don't think that there would be significant squeezing in your trades. That means don't scare. Okay, within 1 minute there is going to be volatility. Okay, duplicate tab. Let's open the same stuff with Bitcoin and ETH. Okay, let's open BTC. Binance. Let's open ETH. Volatility is coming, friends. Okay, yeah, good. ETH USDT. If will be from a left side. HNT. Oh my god, beautiful volatility. If some of you scare something, you can close half of your trades. For example, on ENG, I would like to close at least, let's close 100 coins, or keep it. Yeah, let's keep it. Stop loss is not big enough. Let's see what's going on. HNT close to break this trend line. Let's open Bitcoin from this size. Have a look on Bitcoin, this significant tail up. Bitcoin pumping. If Bitcoin go on pumping, there would be also pump on our coins. Ethereum, have a look in Ethereum spot and Ethereum 130. Let's squash. Market is pumping. What I do, have a look, we just let's ENG, my friends. At this moment, HNT 130% profit. If you scare, you can move stop loss into break even. And ENG also 2% of profit. I move stop loss into break even. Like at this moment, coin pumping, and if pump go on and it will be successful, it will reach our take profit, because I don't see a big volume jump to close it. And the same with HNT. It's also have a look how it beautifully rising. HNT at this moment, let me do settings. Bitcoin breaks all levels, and at this moment Bitcoin up. Don't try to go against Bitcoin percent. Have a look. Pay attention how we beautifully took fair breakdown of a key level, and price at this moment close to our take profit on HNT, and it's time to close at least half of our trade. It's time to get out by half of our trade on HNT. What's going on? Okay, 236 order entry. Why I cannot close 50% of my reduce only? My position size 236. Fuck. I closed half of HNT and set ENG. I didn't close half because my platform worked really a little bit badly. HNT we keep. At this moment, while I closed half, I can again move stop loss a little bit lower to in a better place, because with bigger possibility price can take our break even. And at this moment we can move stop loss even higher, because have a look, at this moment we closed part of our position on HNT. And how much did we book in HNT? Only 1,000. Did we book at least some few hundreds? too many domes, and okay, we booked only $15, and if price go on, that would be additional $20. That would be $50 of profit. Okay, go on. Friends, how many of you are in H&T trade? How many of you took H&T trade with me? How many of you made money? I think at this moment, if some of you here took with me H&T trade, it's really worth for you to push like and share the stream with your friends and subscribe to this channel, because when YouTube sees that you watch our streams and subscribe to channel, YouTube understands that content really good and share it with more people. It's really important. And when you after watch our lessons, YouTube also accelerate all of this stuff, and that's the best. Thank you, because if you will do it, I promise I will do at least once per week live trading with you, where I'll explain to you all questions that you ask, and it will be entirely for free. Alpha Wolf took Daniela. I took H&T, awesome. Vola took 25, but still it's good. $25, it's good. Alpha Wolf, I understand you that sometimes people scare before Fed meeting, something like that, but like if you don't put whole your entire account online, it's okay to trade it, because with big possibility, many coins broke levels, friends. And at this moment, what you should do to close part of your position in both trades that we took and enjoy. Let me close Bitcoin and Ethereum, because they take too much capacity of my PC. My PC, it's difficult for it. Great job, Yuri, as always. Thank you for the lesson, Alexander. Happy to help. BPN, I closed full. BPN, how much did you make? Entry on H&T. Okay. 843, your average entry. It's really good. 843. Keep it, because at this moment, have a look. Closed part as we did to reduce the risk, and if price go on, that could be reach really easily this target, this high. There only one problem, that significant volume appears only at this high and only during powerful pump after that price rise additionally. My target at this moment at 892. At this I close second part. Here first part, there second part. And ENG, if price reaches 6%, we closed all entire position. On ENG to 22%, we keep it stop loss in break even, and it doesn't matter at this moment. What else? Pay attention how all other coins broke their levels. Okay, let's do again analysis for big sizes. Maybe there would be a significant size in a DOM that we can use in the future. Remind to you, friends, if some of you, I just pinned a message, if some of you interested in personal cooperation, for example, you need personal help in scalping trading, you can write to my team, they will help you. I just sent link into the chat. We can help you learn all of this stuff, what platform to use, services to use, all of this. Have a look, BNX, TRX. Bitcoin close to this level. About Bitcoin, what's going on? Bitcoin at this moment pumping on this news, and biggest volume entered, my friends, exactly on high. It's interesting to see what's going on. With bigger possibility, I think Bitcoin can continue be in this upward channel. and that would be really good for crypto. Let's see if the price will do additional pump. Because after such significant volume, it's so important that price continue rising, because in other cases it will be a signal that some people get out, and there could be even real low, and we have open long trades. HNT 2.5% of profit. Beautiful. Share with me, is it beautiful? We are without any risk in a trade. At this moment we are without any risk in a trade. Trade moves into our favor, and if price hit our targets, we make good money. If not, if go against us, we make small money. About HNT at this moment, pay attention on this 20,000 coins that appears on a spot market. Let's see if this size real. Let's do. My cat. I love cats. Okay. Honestly, I love much more. I love dogs. Okay, 10,000. And I do DOM settings to see all of this size much better, beautiful, without disruption. Have a look, this 19,000, it's interesting to see, because that's really good, that support, that's real money support, this 19,000, it is, we multiply it by 860, it's approximately $170,000. It's really good, because with big possibility it can push price higher. That's really good for us. Bipin, can we take long on Bitcoin? No, my friend, it's too late at this moment to take long on Bitcoin. We took already long on these coins. It must be no matter for you on what coins to take long or short, because what's power of Bitcoin? Only that you have possibility to take bigger size. That's it. That's the biggest advantage of Bitcoin. In all other cases, it's far better to trade altcoins. Okay, Ethereum. Remember one thing, when most of the people expect that something is going to happen, in most cases on the markets is going to happen opposite thing, because markets moved not by news, not by some stuff, it moves by big fish, big speculators, and they want to make money. To make money, they must sell at low. For example, I remember previous European Central Fed meeting when they told about interest rate increase and big inflation, and so many people start selling bitcoins below 17 because it's going to 11,000. It's a bullshit, my friends. They manipulate people. They really manipulate people, and you should never trust news, especially mainstream media, for example, like CNBC, Bloomberg, all of that stuff. Because I saw it so many times when they tell something bad is going to happen, but after that it goes exactly opposite. Exactly opposite. When on a Bloomberg you hear and they tell you market is going to crash, there would be no crypto. Oh my god, have a look what we missed with you. Significant volume in DOM of DOT, but it was really small, short period of time. Significant volume entered, friends. With bigger possibilities there would be a range, and only after that second wave up, or there would be significant pullback, because first impulse already happened, and worse stuff that can be, it could be deep pullback, as I said. But we are warriors and we keep it till stop loss or take profit. We are warriors. Total Alexander, it's because we took long trades. It's because we took long trades, that's why it rose. Okay, let's do what we do at this moment, we analyze coins and we are looking for significant volume in dominant footprint, because we need places where there could be potentially some pullback. At this moment, with big possibility, our train is up. I call a trend, it is a train. It is really dangerous to stop the train, but quite often you can see that when you see that price create high after the additional high, for example, like here, 1, 2, and third, something like this could be a beautiful pullback. That means for us, it's so important to find big pending sell orders, at least 5% from current price, because with big possibilities there could be bounce from those sizes. Have a look Axie Infinity, how before news they just canceled this sell limit. I look long as well with ETH, waiting for 1677 as a personal target. Awesome. CNZ, have a look how CNZ bounced from this beautiful size by 2.23%. Compound, oh my god, friends, have a look what we missed. Oh my god, have a look what we missed with you. How we missed it? Have a look. 6% of rise. Oh my god. Pay attention how before pump someone said significant buy limit order and price just pump it. It's so sad that we missed the size. Why I didn't have compound on my watching list? Oh my god. It's so sad because this big size before pump, we could take much bigger size, much bigger entry, and we would make far bigger money compared to HNT and other coins. It's really sad that there is no it. Unify, I'm covering all significant coins. Didex, compound, CRV. It's really sad, my friends. Sometimes I want to cry because if you would take that trade, that would be additional 300, 400 into my pocket and our pocket. We together would make that money. Because Bitcoin bullish, all of the stop loss really small. I told you comp MD. I forgot about compound, my friend. Thank you. Next time remember to join stream because I missed that wall on compound. But still, we should be happy because we took trades on HNT and ENG. Still, we must be thankful for this at least. I'm sure this is not you, just a scam. Vova, Roy, what you mean? Roy, what you mean? You mean not me at this moment on a stream with you? Should I show you my passport or what? Or should I speak with you other languages? Vova Turkan. We are planning to do such streams once per week for free, and also there would be far more streams for people that join our community. That's why if you consider to do more streams, we can do in our community. I'm planning to do at least additional 3 streams per week and trade together with people. Because I do believe that far more important to have a lot of practice, because trading, it is not about just watch some video and forget. It is a practice. It's like you go to gym. If some of you attended boxing, remember how many times it needs to go to box and just to learn how to do real powerful punch. You go and you repeat month after month, same punch. In a boxing, you repeat only 3 punches. It is punch, it is uppercut, and hook. Only 3 punches. But combinations, there's plenty of combinations. The same here. There must be a lot of practice. And we are going to do it. That's why for free, if you want to do it for free, you just join to this channel, subscribe, and watch other lessons regarding this topic to be to know more for future streams, or you can join our mini course or education programs. Roy, I do not DM to you. I do not direct message to any people. So many people try to scam. They direct message. They pretend to be me, pretend to be a member of my team. Never trust it. Only use contacts that we share with you below this video in description and here. Friends, I remind to you with one ask: if you enjoy what we do, to push like. It's really important. And subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell. All of this stuff is really important. Yeah, I know this is not you. Good, Roy. Those of you that keep HNT, keep it, because at this moment it's interesting to see will be there a second wave up. Have a look, 3% and 226. Let's keep it. We are without risk, and for us it's okay to keep it. CRV, it's compound. Oh my god, it's so sad that we missed it, but still there would be other trades in the future. Dash, Daffy, Dogecoin. Should I show you some other record of my trades that I took? Yuri, CRV, I see 60k sell order on Bybit at 30.05 Bybit price. Adam, it could be the I didn't connect CRV soon. Roy, those scammers, they create so many accounts, fake accounts, and they write here on Bigger Trading. By the way, friends, here, those of you that watch us first time, highly recommend you to join our public Telegram channel, Bigger Trading. And also we have another channel with our scalping trades. It is where I share scalping trades entirely for free. We plan to keep this for free for some big period of time. And highly recommend you to join to be updated. A lot of news, articles, video lessons, that all of the stuff that we publish, you will get it for free. Remember to subscribe. My team, by the way, in our team, we have 10 people that work to create a lot of useful content for you. And for us, it's so important to understand what's really useful for you. That's why when some people write to us and ask for some share with us ideas what we can do better, we always reply with it, because we were beginners, as many of you. I remember when I opened first time Tiger Trade, honestly I was nearly crying because there's so many bottoms, and for me it was really difficult first time to see all of this size, pending orders, all of these filters. But we came through it, and at this moment, after 2 years using Tiger Trade, I can help you a lot with that stuff. I can share with you a lot of secrets, and many of them we share entirely for free. Because for us it's also important to create value. Yes, money it's important because I pay salaries, and I think you understand that if we don't cover even operating costs, nothing would work, but still a lot of stuff we share completely for free to help people that don't have money to afford some stuff. At this moment, what we do, have a look. I cover all of these coins. It's really sad that I didn't pay attention to compound, because on compound they were bigger size. ZIL also, have a look, 2 million coins at 20 o'clock, and have a look how price bounced. This also were interesting. At this moment, Andrei Baltiski. Andrew, you on Tiger Trade you pay. You must pay for Tiger Trade. Tiger Trade you pay. C-Scalp for free. If you have no money, C-Scalp is enough for a start. C-Scalp is enough for a start. That's it. If you have a good amount of money, I highly recommend you to use Tiger Trade, because have a look, EGLD, 2,400 coins. It's really sad that this amount of coins appear after this pump. It's really it's not the good for continue. That's why like how much coins? 2,300 coins at $53. It is approximately $110,000. Honestly, if some of you would like to see a real example how DOM footprint works, we can open trade with small size, but it is not good to take trade after such significant pump, because HNT, have a look, 23,000 coins on this pullback. There must be or big size or after significant pullback, like this one, 23,000 on HNT. It said that I need more people that will help you in the future during live streams, because if there would be at least additional 5-10 people that will cover with me such a big size, will help me. There would be more trade situations that we will take, because you can see that we missed compound, we missed HNT, like quite a lot of situation. Even during the stream we missed only because I didn't see it, because I don't have all, I cannot see all instruments at the same time. That's why for next time I will need at least 5 or 10 volunteers for next stream to help me with this stuff, to look for big sizes and put them together. And for those volunteers, I will do some bonuses. I need to, if like those of you that interested to be on future streams, follow me on Instagram and direct message to me, and I will create some bonus for you, for those that will help me with looking for significant sizes. Beautiful. BTC at high. What's going on? We keep our trades. How many of you would like to be some volunteers and help me next stream? Because I think to do this regularly on Wednesdays, and as you can see, if we would take this additional situation, friends, it would be additional $500 of profit in our pockets, only by simple free trades, and without significant risk. That's why I will need people that will help me next time. Have a look what's going on in Bitcoin. Bitcoin continue pumping. I think Bitcoin is going to do a second wave up. After that there could be even maybe third re-high, and only after that some pullback. At this moment, don't go against the train. Don't try to stop a train because momentum still up, and no one knows where that momentum will end. That's it. What will be the best what we can do? Best wait for some range, and only after some range there could be like a re-high. Only after that there could be some possibility to take shorts. At this moment it is far riskier, and you can take it only from big size and DOM footprint. That's it. Vova Turkan. Okay, Vova, just remember that on next Wednesday on same time, 5:30 London time, we will do same stream, and you should be at that stream, and to help me to look for sizes on this platform. Do you know how to use this trading light? Because for people that use this trade light, I have a desire to help with tutorials how to use all of this stuff, this trading light. Okay. You would like to help also? Awesome. Okay, share with me how many of you made money during this stream today. Friends, how many of you made money during this stream today? It's really important to hear from you and interesting to hear. Okay, while we wait with what's going on with these coins, remember to book at least half of your profit on ENG and HNT, because there are big possibilities that there could be some significant pullback. Book at least 50% of your coins. Okay, on HNT I would like to book additional 36 coins. Okay, sell limit and 2. Okay, on HNT I close additional coins. At this moment I keep only 40% of my trade, and on ENG we have 900. Okay, let's close also some 40% at least. Closed 40%. I do it only with one reason: to be completely out of any risk and to book at least some of profit, because Bitcoin already pumped, and there could be range, there could be re-high. and also there could be deep pullback. Which scenario will happen for sure, I cannot tell you. Like, I'm not a psychic, and what we do trading. We look for powerful patterns with big possibilities. That's it. We do not do any stuff. I double with ENG, HNG, and compound. MD, my friend, I'm happy that you made money today. Is X you all on your watch list? No, at this moment, Kevin, I see you first time here. Kevin, by the way, write few words about yourself, where you're from, because we have international community here. We have people from Asia, Middle East, Europe. We have European Union here, and we have a lot of people from America and from UK, of course, because UK it is not European Union. UK, there are some joke. UK left European Union to to make free place from my country, from Ukraine. Okay. Bitcoin, at this moment, Bitcoin just did additional pump, re-high, also volume increased. It's a good time to close additional size because our coins is not pumping like Bitcoin did, and that could be okay. We keep it and have a look what's important for all of you to use. Okay, friends, I would like remind to you about one stuff. If some of you interested in any kind of cooperation, for example, you need help, you would like to learn how to trade, you would like to learn scalping, you need personal mentoring, you can fill this form and my team will help you with all questions and will help with our services. That's why if you're interested, I just send it into a chat and pin it and just write your name, write your email and phone number, and remember that this contact we keep it for in secret. No one will get it, and you will get really good help if you need it. Okay, trading of markets from Italy too. Remember, I think you remember that my aunt lives in Italy, nearly Rome. I remember first time when I came to Italy. It's really beautiful. Today I caged ETC at 26.99 and got out before 19% pump. Honestly, I also had Ethereum Classic on my list because Ethereum Classic did beautiful pattern, and I wait for Ethereum Classic. I wait for powerful pattern on Ethereum Classic because Ethereum Classic, have a look what it done. It created a significant pattern. It is powerful breakout pattern, this one. Powerful breakout pattern. And what's the problem? I've been waiting for significant volumes in DOM. Have a look even here. Ethereum Classic is on a list today at 1436 in our community. I sent this, and at 2665 there were significant volume, and by the way, price were close to this volume and I was out of PC when this happened, and my major goal was to take trade nearly this size with stop loss below this size, and that would be really powerful, and coin really pumped so much. And coin pumped so much. Okay, what's going on? Beautifully, have a look. HNT moves into our favor, 530. By the way, HNT at this moment, it is coin is at our previous target. Remember that previous target was exactly at current prices. I would like also to close at least additional 20% of my trade. Let's closing. What I do at this moment, I set sell limits to close my longs to reduce risk and book more profit. That's it. Bam 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 bam. Kevin K, I'm from Netherlands. Nice to meet you. Been watching your content for about a year. Good stuff. Keep up. Thanks. Awesome friends. Awesome Kevin. Happy to help you. Like Netherlands. I like all entire Europe. Yes, I do remember. Kevin, what about scalping? Did you do scalping? Did you take this trade that we took today? About about Ethereum Classic, I also had it on a list, and it was really close to my entry point. But sometimes, as you can see, as this happens, price didn't reach significant size, and it moved without me, and at this moment it rose by 12%. It rose by 12%. DOM trading. I sending into our community to people because I share these ideas on daily basis. Okay, at this moment, what I can see, that price rose quite a lot beautifully, and BNB, have a look what's going on at this moment on BNB futures market. Significant size appears at price 272.05, 11,000 coins. It's really big size because 11,000, it is a bunch of money. Okay, about HNT, I would like to close additional coins to be completely out of any kind of risk. Not any of risk, but also book some profit, and all of that profit I would like to put into my BNB trade, because today what I did, okay, let's close. Okay, about HNT, I'm closing 4%. We should say thank you to HNT. It is a beautiful trade. Those of you that make money on HNT, those of you that can make money on HNT, friends, remember that the best what you can do is to push like and share the stream with on all places. You can share it with, send to your friends in direct messages, all of that stuff. It will help to promote our content and help create a lot of value. Okay, and about this coin, I also close it because at this moment I would like to pay attention to other coins, to BNB. Okay, ENG we booked profit, and HNT we also booked profit. And have a look, let's cover it in Trade Make Money. Have a look how it beautifully looks, HNT. We took, remember what was the idea? This idea, it was beautiful swing trading. Fake breakdown. After fake breakdown, we took first trade. After additional confirmation, second trade. And after that, we closed by pots. Beautiful trade with small risk. Really beautiful trade. And ENG, what about ENG? It is this trade before breakup. Price, we were in a red for some small period of time, but price pumped beautifully and we took this trade. That's it. We don't keep it for a while because biggest problem that here there wasn't a significant stop loss hunt before breakup. If there would be bigger stop loss hunt, we would keep it for bigger period of time. Okay, at this moment, what we do, we'd add on a list. I see that at this moment, friends, we do live for 2 hours. How many of you would like to be with me additional 20-25 minutes? Share with me, because there could be additional trade on BNB. Share with me how many of you would like to be additional 20-30 minutes here. Amir, hey bro, did you have DOM tutorial? Yes, we have DOM tutorial about Tiger Trade. Have a look. What lessons you need at this moment? First, once more, open this stream. Open this stream. Below the stream, what you are going to find? You'll find first, you'll find next stuff. You'll find article about DOM platforms that you can download. Read this article, best platforms. Next one, it is what's DOM and footprint by itself, this lesson. Watch this. 6 minutes lesson, and this bigger lesson, have a look. 6 minutes lesson with explanation, really short and beautiful explanation, what's DOM footprint. Another lesson for more than 1 hour, it is a stream with really deep explanation, what's DOM, how to use it, all of that stuff. What I recommend you to start? Start with this one. After that, download platform, and after that, watch this one. That's it. And if you have money and you trust us, you can join our mini course where we share with you step-by-step strategy how to do scalping and trades. Okay, BNB. Yes, I like to. Kevin, yes, BNB, let's go. Thank you. You'll be here, Mary Kate Navanka. Yeah. Good. What's the best time to trade? Best time, honestly, there could be volatility during every period of time. Honestly, there could be volatility during different period of time. I can show to you situations where you can trade during Asian session, European session, American session. That means you can trade in any time. What I highly recommend you to do, I highly recommend you to use special service that track your statistic, and during that service you can open your days and you can see hours where you actually make money and don't make money. By the way, we even have lesson on YouTube about the topic. Let me find that lesson. It is YouTube Studio. It is statistic service. Just one tip will trader why is it content? Let me find it. Playlist. We have a lesson about the topic. Is it here? Let me cover. 1 minute. I'm going to find that lesson. No, it's scalping here. Okay, let's do this. It's a scalp tutorial. Bybit tutorial, crypto, Binance tutorial, false breakout for beginners. Let's open this one. Maybe there is here this lesson. I forgot name of that lesson. Volume indicator. How much is enough? 3 ways to find bottom of Bitcoin. This indicator never let me down. Okay, it's powerful. Spot versus futures. Volume. 1 moment. If I find this video, I'll share it with you. If not, order types, broker. VWAP. My friend, I forgot about that service, where that name of that service, name of that video, because we had the video where we explain statistic service, how to track diary. Okay, let's do maybe there must be diary, traders crash. There must be traders diary. Okay, not today, like it calls not today, because if we cannot find it, that means it is not for today. Okay, let's open BNB, because on BNB we found bigger size. BNB, at this moment we open BNB futures market, and let's open BNB spot market, BNB USDT, and have a look. We have 1,300 here, and our major task, this 11,000 on BNB higher. Let's make numbers bigger. 11,000. Have a look. 1%, 79 higher. What our target on BNB? If price reads that size, with big possibilities, I could be bounced for 2-3%. That's it. That's why we pay attention to that size at this moment. What we have here. Let's make it beautiful settings. 11,000, and let's add BNB here. Okay, BNB, that size is at 272. Let's do build a level at 272 to also point it. Okay, here's that big size. And while we pay attention to that, also let's cover maybe another trade idea where we can find something like that. Okay, BNB really close. Let's pay attention. Maybe there would be some other interesting instruments. DOT. Who else can be there? H-bar. I can help you with looking for big sizes on TradeLight. If I were awesome, it's good that you are in our community. We can do even call together. We will do before next stream some call together in the community, and we will work together on that stuff, that service, that to make it much better for the next stream. It's awesome. I'm happy that you will help. Jasip, Abdul Sattar, shall we go for long now? My friend, it is a little bit too late at this moment to take any long trade, because price already rose quite a lot, and at this moment it's too late. That's it, because your risk reward is really bad in this case if you take a long trade. That's why I do not recommend you to take a long trade at this moment. That's it. To take long trade, you need significant pullback, you need powerful volume in a DOM, and at this moment I am searching for powerful volume in DOM, and I don't see it at this moment. Only on BNB at 272 I see sell limit 11,000 coins, and we can try to take bounce from that big size. That's it. That's what we can do. That would be our strategy. Ads as a great session. Thank you, my friend. Thank you too. Remember to push like, subscribe. Okay, what else we do? At this moment I analyze, let's analyze together that you will see what I do. With trade light, I'm looking for significant limit orders far above current price. Atom. Oh, how much is it? Show to me, please. Uh, 20,000 plus multiply by 10, it is 200,000. No, we need bigger. We need something bigger. AAV. Have a look how they volume disappeared. Spoofing. I don't like spoofing. It looks that at this moment the most important one it is on BNB. What about here? 2,500. It is not enough for something significant. Uh, 30,000, not much. It is not much. HNT, have a look, friends, how HNT at this moment bouncing. Pay attention. Price rose, retested from this big size, and at this moment 3% rise. For scalping, it is amazing. For scalping, honestly, it is amazing. Array. SNX bounced from size. Oh, Shiba Inu. Shiba, 40 billion of coins. By the way, it is really interesting size for Shiba Inu. I like Shiba because sometimes Shiba really bounce beautifully from some sizes. Uni, have a look on this powerful breakout. XMR. Didex. Didex, this size smashed, absorbed. Okay. It looks that only on BNB at this moment we have a bigger size, much higher. Only BNB at this moment interesting for us because size on BNB really big and can make some difference, but it's 2% from current price. It's quite a lot. It takes time to move that to that area. Okay, at this moment it is 10 o'clock. Awesome. Friends, once more remind to all of you about free Telegram channel. Have a look here. Free public Telegram channel to be updated about Bitcoin updates, powerful articles, all of that stuff that you need. Subscribe to this channel. Another one, remember to subscribe to this channel where we share scalping trades for free with you. Also, those of you that watch the stream, below this video you'll find a first link about our mini course. Remember to join that mini course because you'll get step-by-step plan. And Walter here, I would like to volunteer on the next live session. Walter, by the way, where are you from? Walter, tell me please where you're from. What's BNB. Okay. Walter, one of my teacher of English also from South Africa, and his ancestors from UK, and he lives in South Africa, maybe 4th or 5th generation. And we spoke a lot about South Africa, about how it works there. Mashik Tariq on ETH. Mashik Tariq. On Ethereum, at this moment there is no significant volume in DOM for short. I do not hurry up. I wouldn't hurry up to take any kind of shorts on ETH. ETH at this moment in a powerful up cycle, and at this moment have a look what's going on ETH. If price breaks this level, there could be additional cycle of rise. That's it. ETH already dropped heavily, and have a look on this significant volume at bottom. Again, significant rise. Price in this upward channel, do not hurry up to take short. And by the way, on futures market there is no sell limits even up to 2000. What about spot market? ETH, USDT. On a spot market there also is no any sell limits. That means do not hurry up with taking short on ETH. On the Bybit, also nothing interesting. What about Coinbase? Maybe on Coinbase there's something interesting. Coinbase, ETH, USDT, also no any, nothing. Okay, maybe on other exchanges, ETH, USDT, USD, maybe on Bitfinex there's something. Still nothing, my friend. That means do not hurry up on Ethereum, because at this moment trend is up. There is no reason to hurry up. Idea on BNB powerful only because of significant sell limit orders. That's it. That's why we pay attention to BNB. In all other cases we would not even pay attention to it. Okay, let's take ETH, USDT. Okay, what we do, we open ETH, USDT, spot, and futures market. Oh my god, I opened two spot. Let's two futures market. Let's open one spot market. ETH, USDT. Good. ETH only pumping at this moment. I don't see. Have a look on this order flow, how it's so powerful. There is so much power in this order flow on ETH. Plus, there is no significant sell limits that at this moment can make some difference for ETH. And during such powerful market, only if I would see at least 20,000 coins as a sell limit, I would consider to open short on ETH. Because I many times saw how it smashed like 4,000. It is ETH can smash just by and it disappear. That means we need bigger size. Okay, at this moment we wait only for BNB, and I would wait additional few minutes. If nothing happens, we will finish our stream. Moshin, at this moment there is no significant sell limit order. This 5,000, it is not enough for ETH to stop the price. There must be at least 20,000. It's really good. There must be at least 10,000 for Ethereum to stop the price. How many of you made money during the stream? Share with me how many of you made money during the stream with me. It's so important. Why it's so important? Because I would like to make a post in public Telegram channel for future that during previous stream we made 4 trades, all of them hit the targets. During this stream we took only 2 trades, also both of them reach targets. On the next stream, if there would be additional people that will help me with size in DOM footprint, I think we will take even more trades and even more of them will reach our targets. That means will be more profit for us, and for me it would be really pleasure that all of you would make money and you will see real trades, how it's going on, real practice, especially for beginners. I think it is the best way how you can learn something is by see real practice, real examples. Okay, have a look what's going on. BNB pumping. Vola, the last stream I took about 150 and today I was scared and took only 25. But still, you made money. It's awesome. Next time, when you will have more profit for you, it will be easier to take bigger sizes. Because today, honestly, I couldn't recommend people to take bigger size because you saw that we take trades without powerful pending orders in DOM. We took only based on technical analysis, and on HNT we took a trade because trap happened and people that trade break down, their stop loss is taken. Does any one of you see any significant size in DOM? Because at this moment only BNB. Okay, let's cover also additional service. It is interesting service, Scalper Tap. I'll record to you soon video about this service also, because it's also wise to use such kind of service. Oh my god, what's going on? Why is all chats? Oh, beautiful. Let's cover maybe some beautiful levels that we can see at this moment. Okay, let's do this one. 4 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes. Remember one stuff. Stop loss for BNB MD 232. Stop loss, my friend, we didn't open trade at this moment. Stop loss will be above this big size. Pay attention that at 272 there are big size. How we open a trade, It is a strategy that calls bounce from big size. How we open a trade on that strategy? First, our major task is to open a trade as closer to this size as possible. That means if we open a trade at, for example, 271.90, our stop loss will be at 272.05. That means it will be, our stop loss will be 0.1% of price movement. That's real scalping. That price must come to this size. This size, 11,000, it is a wall that must protect us at least first time. And if price bounce from this at least for 2%, it's enough to make $200, $300, $500 of profit with really small risk. That means stop loss above this big wall if price reach it. AVAX. Let's cover Atom. Atom 32,000. Yes, it's interesting. Honestly, it's interesting. Let me add Atom on another screen. I have two screens. On another screen, I have 4 screens, but on another screen, I also have a look. I also watch coins. And let's add Atom. Atom and Atom. Okay, let's add Atom to make it beautiful. Above current price, we have a look what we have. Above current price, we have 31,000 coins. Honestly, it is only $300,000. It is not like the biggest amount that I saw in my life, but we shall try because significant volume traded, Bitcoin already pumped, and all of this stuff. There could be some pullback. We shall try to take this trade on Atom. Okay, let's do. Let's do DOM settings. Okay, delta correlated volume profile. Okay, let's do this settings. AVAX, let's also cover AVAX. AVAX, you mean futures or spot? No, on AVAX there is no big size. Okay, let's do 35,000. Have a look. At this moment we have this volume 33,000. Let's make DOM beautiful that you can see it clearly. That's why always first what you do before you do trades in DOM footprint. First what you do DOM settings. Okay, 1% from current price. It's good. And I set filters. What we do filters to see big sizes. And for example, 34,000, it is the biggest size, and we need to see it clearly, and we don't need to see any other sizes. That's why what we do filters. For example, 15,000, it will be dark blue, and from 0 to 15,000 I don't want to pay attention so much to volume. that are in the dominant footprint, and pay attention how at this moment our focus change when we create all of the settings. Do you see that our focus at this moment completely on this 32,000? That's how you should do your DOM settings, because sometimes people do really bad settings that you don't even see the biggest volume traded. It's not good. And that's it. And at this moment we can see that at 998 this beautiful size, and that could be 998. It is here. There could be some pullback, and we should pay attention. We should try to take a trade nearly it. Okay, let's do settings for also for a spot market. Let's do also two, biggest size 23,000. If 23 is the biggest one, we need to write here 30, 29, even 35. Good. Also, let's do three sizes. Size number 1. Everything about 25,000. At this moment it will be a yellow. Mm, 15,000. It will be dark blue. I use such colors only because I like such colors. You can use another colors, and it's up for you to decide what colors to use. That means you don't need to use exactly my colors. You can use with your own. It's up for you to decide what to use, my friends. Okay, sales filters. Okay, once more, from 15,000 up to 25,000. Okay. And have a look how we clearly see the bigger size. Let's see, price at this moment 0.32% from this size. Oh, BNB exactly here. BNB even. No, they moved this 10,000 on BNB. Oh my god, it's bad. BNB USDT. Have a look how BNB just broke this wall. It's really bad. Because what happened, from 272 they moved the size to close it. Have a look. They moved it here for a start. They move it from this place to this place. It is not good for rise. Additional 5,000. Honestly, at this moment, friends, I don't like to take any additional shorts because I see that price still pumping so much. We will try nearly this. Price already bounced from this size. Small percent. %0.2%. BNB, forget about BNB. We skip BNB. BNB. We don't consider to take a trade anymore. Honestly, I don't like to open a trade against trend. I think better to BTC strong. Yes, well, BTC strong. I think it's time to rest. Have a look. At this moment, it is 18 p.m. my time. Friends, I think it is time to rest because BNB, I thought about BNB trade, but they cancel that size, and at this moment there could be additional pump. That means once more, I think we should finish. I am so thankful for you that you joined the stream. I highly ask you to Okay, I highly ask you, my friends, to subscribe to this channel, because you will get in the future notification about future streams, and you will have a lot of lessons on our YouTube, even for free, that will help you trade on this strategy. Those of you that make money, I'm really happy that you made money. I have only one ask: withdraw it and spend it with your family, because for me it would be really pleasure that when you will spend that money, you will think about me. When you will spend your time with your family, that you made money with me, it would be really awesome. And if you want me to do this on Wednesday, every Wednesday, for free, such kind of streams where we trade live and spend so much time together, I have only one ask: share this YouTube channel with your friends, send it to their direct messages, because it's really important. When I see that, for example, 100 people watch the stream, 200, they're far more bigger desire to be with you so many hours entirely for free. Thank you, my friends. Bye.